It is the supreme art of the teacher to awaken joy in creative expression and knowledge. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. The true teachers are those who help us think for ourselves. Teachers are the most responsible and important members of society because professional efforts affect the fate of the earth. Come forth into the light of things. Let nature be your teacher. The whole art of teaching is only the art of awakening the natural curiosity of young minds for the purpose of satisfying it afterwards. Those who educate children well are more to be honored than they who produce them, for these only gave them life, those the art of living well. Technology is just a tool. In terms of getting the kids working together and motivating them, the teacher is the most important. I am not a teacher, only a fellow traveler of whom you asked the way. I pointed ahead of myself as well as you. The teacher who is indeed wise does not bid you to enter the house of his wisdom, but rather leads you to the threshold of your mind. Good teachers know how to bring out the best in students. Good teaching must be slow enough so that it is not confusing, and fast enough so that it is not boring. One book, one pen, one child, and one teacher can change the world. A good teacher must be able to put himself in the place of those who find learning hard. One good teacher in a lifetime may sometimes change a delinquent into a solid citizen. A teacher affects eternity. He can never tell where his influence stops. There are two kinds of teachers. The kind that fill you with so much quill shot that you can't move, and the kind that just gives you a little prod behind and you jump to the skies. I have always felt that the true textbook for the pupil is his teacher. Education is the manifestation of the perfection already in man. If you were successful, somebody along the line gave you some help. There was a great teacher somewhere in your life. The art of teaching is the art of assisting discovery. The dream begins with a teacher who believes in you, who tugs and pushes and leads you to the next plateau, sometimes poking you with a sharp stick called truth. Teaching is a very noble profession that shapes the character caliber and future of an individual. If the people remember me as a good teacher, that will be the biggest honor for me.